Hello, parents, especially father. I thought this one is the most important issue for most of us. How to hold the baby, because most of us are scared to hold this little fragile body. So, as I promised in my last episode, here I am with how to hold the baby. Hello, and hello, parents. This is from Rohan. As a father, it's very hard to imagine how to hold this little one. My son is now 5 weeks old, and I just think that this is the fear most of the father has. They do have that how I hold this little tiny person in my hand. Babies, they look so fragile, but they are tough in their own way. So I'm gonna share today my experience at how we can hold the child in a comfortable way where as a father we feel comfortable and the little son or the daughter, the prince or the princess of the daddy feels comfortable too. So, what do we do? Let's start on that. I will try to hold my son and make sure that he is comfortable and I'm comfortable too. Trust your hands. Our hands are very big. They practically cover the baby's whole body. So, how do I do that? My son is responding. Main thing is when I try to the body two fragile place is neck and the spine. My hand, I feel comfortable with left hand. Depends how you feel. You hold your child's head with your open palm. It's as if you're holding a ball which can run this side or that side because the child is or the baby is all the time moving. So here we are, and then hold the bottom part. The bottom comes in this hand, the head is here. Bring the child close to your body. The knees of the child rest on your belly. You see the hand is flexible. These two fingers and the thumb and the finger is holding the head. And my palm is free to move. And this hand is giving the base on the bottom of the baby. So, close to you, and the child is comfortable. Feel it, feel the body. Don't be scared, and you will see it's very easy to make them comfortable, and you can feel the bond, you can feel the connection, that how it feels to hold your prince or the princess like this. That is one way. There are many ways we can try to hold the baby. We will talk about different ways of holding the baby. This I started doing since he was 5 weeks old. It's very possible he is now 8 weeks old, but still the same positions we can used to hold the baby, and especially for the fathers, because we are always scared this tiny baby, how he is going to move, how fragile he is. So before we pick up the baby, the most important part is hold from the hip joints, because this is one something which needs to be, you can move the baby with this. Head is not a problem because head is lying. So make your position, hold the baby, put your position line with your way of picking him up. Then you hold the neck, that's the most important part. And then from the bottom, pick up the baby, giving the back support to the backbone on the pelvic from the behind, and the head and the shoulders. So this is one way we can hold the baby. And if you are not confident, bring the baby close to your heart, your chest. That way you have the support and baby is also very comfortable. Now this is one way you can hold the baby. Second way is you bring your elbow, put the head here, with your arm give the support to the side, and then from the second hand you are free. You can move that hand and give support to your hand. This way also the baby is comfortable, especially if you are carrying the baby on a regular basis and you want to give or you want to make baby sleep. Try to keep always one position, whichever is comfortable for you. Like for me, I feel comfortable, I make him sleep with my chest. So what I do is I carry him like this. Whenever I pick him up, I take help of my chin on his head, my hand on his neck and shoulder, and my bottom part, his bottom with my palm. So I hold him next to my chest. I feel very comfortable like that, and he is my regular position. That's how I hold him. Tiger, stop it! And the fourth position I have is, this is also very good for the baby that you can do when the baby is 5 weeks old, and that is like this on your arm. This is also, it looks weird, but it is comfortable for the baby. They are secured because you're holding it, the grip is here, the head is supported with the elbow, the whole length of the arm, and your hand is free. So you can see, you can move, the baby can move, and this is comfortable. There we go. I hope my information was useful to you. Here I'm just sharing my views and methods I feel comfortable with. Each of us are different and do things differently. So kindly keep this in mind that I am just giving my personal view and perception. I wish all the parents a happy parenting. Thanks for your time and support. See you soon next time with baby and hygiene.